me. That's what you like? That's who you with? That's who you wife? That's your bitch? That's your life? That's your shit. What's your type? Nigga in St. Laurent with 100 cash. Your baby mom look like money bag. And I'm real as hell. Call it NFL. How this nigga still be running back. Look, Pani road them. MC me to them broke man. Sure man. Nigga fuck up she mode. I you me to broke man. Let them bust up in your Better rock. Better rock. Rude boy. I'ma make it bed drop. I get still so bright. Them off her rest up. Hannah rocks tell dry like she pitting head top. Rich boy on a mafia coast. Sport big Z. All calling poppy smoke. Nigga 6'4".
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing this wig from Nayasa. I believe that's what the company is called. This is their curly 20-inch unit. It's more like 2022. It actually does not say how long the unit is. It comes with the wig cap, which is actually 2 caps in that wig pack, and the unit itself. Baby, the curls are on point. I'm loving the curly wig. It is a 13x6. It's a little bit more on the smaller size, so more so small to medium size head friendly. 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back with adjustable straps, but this unit is kicking. I love it. Like the curls, the layers. Look at that lace. The lace, bruh. Do you see that? Like, I probably won't even have to put any concealer or foundation in the parting. I'll be right back. So right here, I'm just focusing on putting on the wig unit, you know, putting it on my head and just measuring it. The lace itself is just a little too snug, going around from like ear to ear, but overall, like, this unit is bomb, sis. Like, I love it. I didn't even put anything on the cap. I don't have any foundation on my head. I don't have any foundation on the unit, and you see how seamless that look? Like, baby, come on. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. Okay, so the pattern is there. This is layered. Okay, so the curls is there. It's a layered unit. You can part it anywhere in the front. It does not come customized with baby hair. So if that is something that you would like, you would have to actually pluck that out yourself. That is the only thing. But I actually don't even mind, sis. Like, it's bomb. I love it. Look at how long the unit is. It's flowy. This is my type of unit. Now, in regards to the texture of this unit, this is definitely more on the silky side. And I'm not even mad at it. Like, it's all the way there for me. It's serving, it's soft, the curls is popping. I'm feeling it. Now next, I'm just going to go ahead and bring out that handy dandy suave mousse. I definitely want these curls to be popping on the synthetic unit. So definitely bring out that mousse because it's going to bring out the body, the volume on this unit, and bring out the scissors to cut off the lace, customize the baby hair, and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love how she came out. This is definitely synthetic wig goals, hunty. Yes, this is what I was looking for, okay? Ain't nothing like having a synthetic unit that looks more expensive than what it is. Look at that lace parting. Lace wear, okay? So stay tuned for some more uploads on this channel if you have not subscribed to your girl, and I'll see you next time. Later.